Updating your legal business name on Humana Pharmacy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documentation that supports your legal business name change. This may include a copy of your business registration, tax documents, or any legal name change certificates. Step 2. Log into your Humana account. Access your Humana account by visiting the Humana Pharmacy website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to business information. Once logged in, locate the section for business information or account settings. This is typically found in the profile or account management area. Step 4. Update your business name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit changes and confirmation. After updating your business name, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification within your account once the update has been processed. Keep this confirmation for your records. Make sure to follow these steps carefully to ensure your legal business name is updated correctly on Humana Pharmacy. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Humana's customer support for assistance.